Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, for mobile security assignment 2, we need to check the permission of mobile apps. So here I use the APK analyzer to get the Android permission for each mobile application. Okay, you can get this app at Play Store for free, and you can download it and use it as simple as that. Okay, here for my 10 apps. First, I will go to Instagram. I will search Instagram. Okay, here you can see the general information on Instagram. System application, your ID, installer. You can get several information about this app here at general tab. Then we have certificate. Here you can see the hash function, the public key, the algorithm, and many more. So our main focus is for the use permission. For Instagram, here we can see a lot of permission. Yeah, it have a lot of permission because we know that Instagram use a lot of our device such as camera, audio, and whatsoever. Okay, for example here, the internet. Most of the application mobile apps I that I use mostly have permission for internet because all of them are connected to internet to be used. I don't want to explain so much about each of these permission because I already make a short explanation about all of these permission in the slide. So here I want to show how it look in this APK analyzer. Okay, we have activities, services. Okay, here we can also search for Android manifest.xml. Okay, here actually the XML code for the application. We can see the permission here. Install shortcut, uninstall shortcut is actually the same as the before, but in the form of code. Okay, next we will go to the next apps, which are Omega TV, or known as Omega TV. Omega TV, its minimum SDK 16. Yeah, we should go to the permission. Okay, for mobile apps which use to have payment or whatsoever that connect to money, it usually have the permission of com.android.vending.billing. Here the permission is about how the apps is allowed to make a payment such that pay a bill. And yeah, Omega TV is all about camera. You can chat with another people, so you need to give permission for these apps to access the camera. Okay, we will go to the next apps, which is Quran. Okay, here Quran, you can download it in Google Play Store. The target SDK is 29, min SDK 14, so it's not as high as Omegle TV, which is 16, the minimum SDK. Okay, for the permission, okay, as these apps is you use internet to download the content, so the permission for internet is really crucial, where without internet you cannot download the content of the Quran. Okay, another important thing here is wake lock. Wake lock is basically a permission where the apps is allowed to remain at your device. I mean, you can make it not to turn off when you open this app. Yeah, like that. So you can read the Quran happily and enjoy happily. Okay, next we will go to the next app, mobile application, which is McDonald's. McDonald's minimum SDK is very high, which is 21, compared to the Quran just now is only 14. Okay, so these apps, it doesn't have a lot of permission because it is not a message based application where you need to use a lot of permission. The camera is still needed because here you can see the camera permission, because sometimes you want to pay with your QR code or wallet, so you need an access to the camera so you can scan the QR code to pay with your e-wallet. Internet is supposedly to be the main permission here, because without internet we can't access to this mobile application. Okay, the others I will explain the slide. Okay, for the next apps, we will go to the APK analyzer itself. Yeah, we can still analyze its content even though it is its application itself. Okay, we can see here minimum version Android. So below the Android 4.4 KitKat, you can actually use this application. Okay, next we go to the permission. Yeah, same as the other mobile apps, the permission for internet is there. Okay. Okay, for this application we can see there is a vibrate permission, where the vibrate permission is actually allow the application to vibrate your phone whenever you got notifications or something important that you need from these apps. Okay, write external storage. It's allow the application to write external storage and also read the external storage. So it's both can write and read. Here just a little of permission here, so we try to see the XML. Yeah, here we cannot see the XML code because Android manifest, because the APK analyzer is hide the information from the user, so we can't actually see the code, but we can see the all the permission here. It is the same as in the code. Okay, next we will go to the next apps, which is QR code. QR code also can be get from Google Play Store. The minimum is you get 16, and the minimum version of Android is actually 4.1 Jelly Bean. Most of the devices are now provided with the latest Android version, so we don't need to worry. So we go to the use permission. The first permission is camera. Yeah, this app is actually all about camera. You need to scan the code and you will get the input, you can get the output from there. So internet is necessary because without internet you cannot scan the QR code. Yeah, it also have permission for flashlight, because maybe you want to flash the code, the place is dark, so you need a flashlight. Okay, next we will go to the next apps, which is Foodpanda. Okay, Foodpanda is actually a new mobile application, so minimum is quite high, which is 18. Use permission same as the other permission with payment, but I don't know why here we don't have billing permission, but it still need an internet to work. Try to see the code. Yeah, is Foodpanda also don't allow us to see the XML code, so unluckily we can see that. Next we will go to the Clash of Clans. Clash of Clans is a very old games with minimum SK 16, Android 4.1 Jelly Bean. So the permission is billing. Yeah, billing is exists here. We can see billing here because Clash of Clans actually we can buy something from this game like germs, like cosmetic, so permission for billing is there. Camera, yeah, I don't really know why the camera permission is needed, but camera permission is there. Network is also there because we need a network to play the games. Okay, next we will go to the next application, My Sejahtera. Yeah, new apps developed during the COVID-19. The minimum SDK is quite high, 19, because it is a new apps using KitKat Android. Yeah, the first permission we need is internet, as we want to connect to the internet and want to see the information there. The camera is really necessary because we want to scan the QR code. The flashlight, like I said before, want to flash the QR code when it's dark. Manage documents, manage the information in our devices. Yeah, it's actually the same as others mobile apps. Next we will go to last apps is calculator. calculator don't actually have really a lot of permission, because you just simply use it and you get output for your input. So here we can see it's vibrate when you got it. When you got the result, it may vibrate there. The internet, maybe the internet is here because you want to update it or something like that, that need to use the internet. Okay, the others you can see in the slide, because the time is ticking. I can't actually explain the permission one by one, so I put all the information, the explanation inside the slide. So yeah, inside the slide you can see all the permission for the 10 apps that I use this APK analyzer on that application. So the 10 mobile apps that I choose to check the permission. So yeah, you can use these apps because it is very easy, it is updated, because there are some apps similar like this but they are not updated, so you can use for to check the permission for the latest apps. So here you can see all of the process that all of the application in your devices, so you can simply search it on top of the bar. Here you can search and you got the apps that you want. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. That's all. Bye and see you next time.